Hey everyone, welcome back. You probably clicked because of that title, right? How to have more. It sounds like clickbait, but trust me, it's not. This video is real talk. We're diving deep into one simple but powerful question. How do you actually make more money? Maybe you're working a regular job, earning 5 million a month. How do you make that 10 or 20? Or maybe you run a small shop and profit 7 million each month. How do you raise it to 17? The question sounds simple. But the answer, it's complicated. Because not everyone can answer it unless they've truly lived it. And that's exactly what I've done. I've tested, failed, learned, and succeeded, so I'll share what actually works. I promise, by the end of this video you'll have a real, practical answer. And don't worry, this isn't one of those quit your job or join my system kind of videos. No fake gurus here. Everything I'm about to share comes from real experiences, real businesses, real life. Alright, let's get into it. Welcome to Finance Free TV, where I share daily lessons on money, mindset, and modern business. Here, you'll find everything from practical financial skills to soft skills and even digital tools. Everything is free, no courses, no paywalls, no half videos asking for money later. If you stay until the end, I promise the final few minutes will shift how you think about earning forever. Now, let's get straight to today's topic, how to make more money. And I'll say this right away, you'll only understand this formula if you and I share one mindset. Ready? Here it is, everyone is selling something. Don't react yet, let me explain. Every single one of us sells, in one way or another. Some sell clothes, some sell food, some sell tech. And if you're thinking, but I'm just an employee, I don't sell anything. You're wrong. You're selling your labor. Your product is your effort, creativity, time, and energy. You trade that for money. So, if we all sell something, then the secret to having more money is this. Learn to sell your product, whatever it is, for a higher price. Even if that product is your time. That's the mindset shift. Because once you understand how to raise your value, your income follows. Now, the question is, how do you do that? That's what we'll unlock today. We're talking about the art of pricing. How to price your product, or your labor, so that people happily pay more. And here's the good part, you don't need to scam anyone, you just need to learn how value is perceived. The next few minutes will reveal that. Stay with me, because the deeper we go, the more this will click for you. If you watch until the end, you'll get the exact techniques to apply in your work, business, or life. Let's break it down into 3 parts. Part 1, the formula for pricing anything the right way. Part 2, how to apply it to your product or service if you're running a business. And Part 3, how to use it to increase your salary if you're an employee. Alright, ready? Let's begin. Imagine you own a small phone shop. You sell a model called the iPhone Emperor. Your cost price is 17 million, and you sell it for 20. That's 3 million profit per phone. Not bad, right? But small shops can't buy in bulk, so margins are thin. Now, the problem is, high-priced phones are harder to sell. You might sell 10 a month if you're lucky, but your expenses are brutal. Rent, staff, marketing, electricity, taxes, it easily hits 30 million monthly. So, even if you sell, your profit barely covers costs. Now here's the challenge, how do you sell that same phone for 25 million, and still have customers buy it happily? Sounds crazy, right? It's not. Big brands like Mobile World, Digital, already do this. They sell phones 5 million higher than competitors, yet their stores are full. How? Because price is a process. Remember this. To sell at a high price, you must price through the entire process, before, during, and after the sale. Let's break that down. Before the sale, what does Mobile World do? They build stores near you, so it's convenient. You're excited about a new phone, and within 5 minutes, you can get it. Convenience has value. When you walk in, the staff greet you warmly, smile, and speak politely. That's another value layer. Or if you don't want to go out, you can order online. They'll even send a technician to your door, with the phone, tools, and card machine. He'll help you set up, install apps, even transfer data. That's service. Now, during the sale, they make sure you feel amazing. The store is clean, cool, well-lit, and full of demo devices you can try freely. You're relaxed, comfortable, and emotionally open to buying. That's smart psychology. And after the sale? Their after-sales service is powerful. If your phone breaks, they'll handle the warranty for you, no stress. Sometimes they even lend you a temporary phone. That's huge value. So, they're not just selling a phone. They're selling peace of mind. That's why customers pay more without complaint. Meanwhile, smaller stores that sell cheaper only offer one thing, the phone itself. No convenience, no support, no trust. So when problems happen, you're on your own. Tell me, which would you rather buy from? Exactly. So here's the real lesson: people don't just buy products, they buy trust, safety, and experience. That's how you raise your price. Now, you might say, I don't have a big store or a team. Doesn't matter. You can still apply this idea. Before selling, post valuable content. Teach customers something useful about your product. Like how to fix a phone battery, or how to optimize iPhone settings for longer battery life. You're giving value before asking for a sale. That builds trust. And people buy from those they trust. During the sale, increase the experience. Don't just chat, video call. Show them the real product live. Be transparent. Be human. And say this magic line. It's okay if you don't buy. I just want to help you choose right. That one line removes pressure and builds comfort. And when people feel safe, they buy. After the sale, add small touches. Deliver quickly. Follow up. If something breaks, assist with warranty or pickup service. Little things like that make customers stay for life. So yes, you can raise your price, even as a small seller. Because people don't pay most for the product, they pay for how you make them feel. That's the secret. And that's how big businesses win. But now, you can too. In a few minutes, I'll share a personal formula I used to double my income in less than a year. So keep watching, you don't want to miss this next part. Let's recap before we continue. To earn more, don't chase price cuts, build value before, during, and after the sale. When you do that, your product becomes premium, without needing luxury packaging or big ads. And if you're an employee, it's the same rule. Before asking for a raise, prove your value first. Make your boss's life easier, bring in new ideas, solve problems fast. That's your before sale value. During work, perform beyond expectation. Be consistent, be reliable, that's your during sale phase. And after each project, follow up. Show initiative, care, and improvement. That's your after sale phase. The moment your company sees that process, you'll get paid more. It's that simple. So stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like a brand. Because whether you sell a phone, a service, or your skill, you're always selling something. And if you can sell that with more value, you'll never worry about money again. That's the truth. Now, before we wrap up, let me remind you. The next video continues this lesson with a real-life pricing breakdown you can apply instantly. So don't stop here, watch till the end, and come back tomorrow for the next part. Because the best secrets are still ahead. This is Finance Free TV, helping you grow your wealth, one lesson at a time. See you in the next video.